Right, hi everyone, welcome back again. Right, we're over here in the garage doing some more welding to the Rover again. Well, I'm not sure how much welding we're going to be doing today. I think it's going to be mainly cutting. I haven't got that long today, so it might be a bit of a short one. But today we are going to start cutting out down here. Obviously I'm not sure what I'm going to find behind it yet, so it's probably going to get a bit more involved than just the outer panel. But we have the repair panel from Wadham's to repair it up so far, although I don't think it's actually quite high enough. I don't know, it might be. We will see anyway. But yeah, first thing I'm going to do is try and pick out some of the spot welds on the channel that holds the door seal on, then get that off, then try and work out exactly where the panel is going to go up to. Not cut it out quite as far as that yet, but yeah, cut some of it out and then see what's behind it, because I'm not sure how bad it is inside the box section. It's not very easy to see in there, but I still need to sort out inside of here as well, because there's hard to hold the light and the camera and talk. But there's actually a piece been welded in the bottom of there, so obviously it's more than one skin, so we need to sort that out as well. But yeah, it shouldn't be a problem. It's just trying to make it so that the rust isn't going to come back at a later date. But yeah, so that's the plan today anyway. We'll do a bit of cutting and then we'll see what we get. Right, so just like I've cut that channel off now, and just kind of laid it over there just to see how far up it comes. As you can see, it doesn't actually come up quite far enough, but I can make a piece into there and then use my shrinking tool to get a slight curve on it, so that's not a problem. The other side I've actually got a complete pillar, so I should probably come up a lot higher, but the other side's a lot worse anyway. And then there's all there. Yeah, there's a hole there as well, so we'll have to make a complete bit in to cut into there as well. But for now I'm just going to mark this. But like I said, I'm not going to cut it out that high yet anyway. Just going to cut it probably sort of down here somewhere and just cut the worst of it out. Another bit, the channel ended there anyway, but look, the original one, the spot weld hadn't even took, look. So we'll have to stitch that back on when we get that far as well. Anyway, yeah, let's cut some of it out and we'll have a look, see what's behind it. Right, well, I think I can quite easily say that that's quite a happy surprise, because it does seem to be in pretty good nick under there. I know there's that bit on there, but that's the end of the panel that I'm changing anyway. But behind there, it does all appear to be pretty solid. So that's happy days for me. So just need to give it a bit more of a clean up and then try and make the panel fit, I think. Right, so we're underneath now. Like I said, that bit there is not too bad, although it is starting to go on that bottom edge, so we're probably going to put a return edge on there and graft a new bit in. As you can see, there's some pretty horrendous past repairs as well as the bit that's on the inside that's been plated over. So basically all of this needs to go. Like I said, I don't think I'm going to be doing much welding today. I'm going to cut that out, cut through here and then cut this out, sill off. So far, still leaving that edge on it for now so I can keep hold of the shape. And then we'll start tackling getting rid of this. Because obviously we don't really want to be putting this bit on. That needs to be the last bit to go on really. So we'll start down there and work our way back up. Well, I'm not sure quite how many layers are here. I know there's more than one layer there anyway, but I don't think there's about 5 or 6. Yeah, this bit of steel that I've just cut off of there is quite weighty. Madness, absolute madness. Anyway, there's a bit more cut out, as you can see. Just need to try and tidy it up and cut it back as far as I need to cut it. So I do appear to have made a big hole now. But it could be worse, I suppose. I've seen worse. I don't know what it's like up inside of there. A bloody train tunnel, isn't it? But yeah, it's not unexpected. So yeah, keep cutting and I'll be back. Right, so after lots of cutting and grinding, we've now removed all them dodgy old patches. You see it's still, this edge is going to need replacing as well. You can actually see what they was trying to weld up in the first place, which is this bit on this little bit of chassis here, which they hadn't actually got the bit on the upper bit anyway, because that was inside of this box section. So basically what I need to do is rebuild this part first and then meet that bit in. I've still got to cut this as well. So yeah, it's hiding lots of stuff. But unfortunately, like I said at the beginning, like I've only got a couple of hours here and I'm about done now, unfortunately, for today. So I'm sorry it's a bit of a short one this week, but you know, with Christmas and that coming up, you know, there's other things to do. But yeah, that'll be what we're doing next anyway. Right, okay. Right, thanks for watching anyway, and I'll catch you next time. Alright, cheers then, bye.